Hey guys, I'm Aleroart. It's been a minute. I'm just wrapping up some projects, and a lot of you guys know one of my biggest projects for the summer has been the Kickstarter. So, uh, with everything at the printer, everything going back to normal, I want to get back into the swing of making art videos. So, missed you guys. I hope you guys are well. I'm thankful for you guys' support. Glad to hear from people, and just making this video for a comedian. This comedian had a skit that involved him being attacked by a guy in a bunk bed who happened to think he was a werewolf. So this is what I did as a sketch. It was a design for a customer, and had fun with this. So this is just something, just trying to get back into the swing of things. A lot's been going on, so just wanted to start this back up. So I want to thank you guys and for supporting the Kickstarter and checking out the video. Peace.